Hey guys, Roger here with the Elite Realty Group, and guess what? We got another one. If you're looking for a property that's not going to break the bank, give me a call, 647-360-5900, and let's get you in here before anybody else. My client has done an excellent job of preparing this property to go to market, and you'll see around it has a lot of great features like an updated kitchen complete with quartz countertops. The bathrooms have been replaced also with quartz countertops. It's been painted throughout, brand new flooring, and this might be the one you've been looking for. Take a look, let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's get you in here before anybody else.